In 96 AD, the Roman Empire teetered on the edge of chaos. The Emperor Domitian ruled with fear and brutality. But one man, a nameless assassin, would change the course of history in the most shocking way. Domitian's reign was marked by terror. He executed senators, silenced rivals, and ruled with an iron fist. But his cruelty was too much, even for his own court. Among Domitian's enemies was a secret group, whispers in the dark, plotting his downfall. They knew that to stop the empire's descent into madness, Domitian had to die. On September 18th, in a twist of fate, an assassin entered the emperor's chambers. He was no soldier, no hero in shining armor, just a man with a single mission: to save Rome from its tyrant. The assassin was quick, precise. In one brutal moment, he struck. Domitian, the emperor who ruled with fear, was dead, stabbed to death in his own palace by a single blow. But here's the twist. No one ever knew who the assassin was. Some say he was a disgruntled servant, others a soldier desperate for change. The truth? It's lost to time. What we do know: the assassin's actions saved the Roman Empire. His name remains unknown, but his mission? Unforgettable.